Flat rate pricing is meant to simplify your project costs, but sometimes real life gets in the way. In this video, we'll explore why some jobs end up costing more than expected, even with a clear price guide in place.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Mike, Chief Financial Officer at Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. Fun fact, I'm also a licensed plumber in the state of Ohio. We believe in complete price transparency, but sometimes unexpected factors come up that even the most experienced technician can't predict until the job begins. In this video, we'll break down the most common unseen factors that can impact the final cost of your home repair or replacement project, and how we can keep you informed every step of the way. Often, a customer calls us hoping for a repair, and that's our first goal too. But if a small part failure has already caused damage elsewhere in the system, what looked like a simple fix may require more extensive work. Our techs are trained to give you a clear forecast of what might happen if a repair doesn't hold, including repair versus replacement costs, so that you're never caught off guard. We'll give you all the options, from the most basic fix to the full solution. Not all jobs are created equal. Sometimes the system we need to work on is tucked away in a crawl space or an attic that's nearly impossible to access safely or efficiently. When that happens, your technician will have an upfront conversation with you. We may need to adjust the flat rate to ensure the work is done to our 5-star standard, safely, and with enough time to do it right. Just like prices at the gas pump, the cost of parts and equipment fluctuates with supply and demand. At Eco, we stock our own warehouse with the most commonly needed parts so we can fix your problem fast and affordably. But when rare or specialty items are required, or a manufacturer's cost spikes, we'll let you know why the pricing is different and work to find the most cost-effective path forward. Sometimes the full scope of the issue isn't clear until our technicians run deeper diagnostics. We don't guess, we test, and that might mean investing time into pressure testing, electrical tracing, or camera inspections. If that reveals a more significant underlying issue, your technician will walk you through it and explain how the additional investment aligns with solving the real problem, not just the symptom. At Eco, our upfront pricing guarantee means that there's no pricing surprises without having a conversation with you about it first. If you've got questions or are concerned about costs, reach out. We're always happy to walk you through the process before any work begins. Thanks for watching. And remember, just because we can't always control the unseen does not mean that you'll be left in the dark. At Eco, transparency isn't a promise. It's our practice. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.